Hello everyone. So our next topic would be insolvency. Sir, what is the meaning of insolvency? So for understanding the insolvency concept, so let us take an example. Let's say we have Mr. A who sold goods to Mr. B worth of 10,000 rupees. So he sold the goods on 1/1/2021 and he gave a 3 months of credit period where 1/4/2021 would be your term of the bill. If we add 3 plus days to this term of the bill, that 4th April 2021 is nothing but your due date of the bill. Yes or no? So that means Mr. B is supposed to pay 10,000 rupees to Mr. A on this due date. Yes or no? So on due date, upon approaching to Mr. B, Mr. B became insolvent or bankruptcy. Sir, what is the meaning of insolvency? Insolvency is nothing but inability to pay one's debt. Inability to pay one's debt upon falling due. So as this amount was falling due on due date, Mr. B is unable to pay this 10,000. This procedure is nothing but your insolvency. Insolvency is nothing but inability to pay one's debt upon falling due. So insolvency occurs because of the bankruptcy. Insolvency occurs because of bankruptcy. So in that case, let's say what happens in our example, let us understand. So how much Mr. B is supposed to pay? 10,000 rupees. So as Mr. B became insolvency or bankruptcy, he went bankruptcy. So in that case, as Mr. A need to receive 10,000 rupees, but only 2,000 rupees, let's say only 8,000 rupees was recoverable from the B's property. So that means as Mr. B went bankruptcy, out of 10,000 rupees, only 8,000 could be recoverable from his personal property. So as we are able to receive only 8,000 rupees from his personal property means the remaining 2,000 is nothing but our loss. Yes or no? So this 2,000 is nothing but our loss. So this 2,000 rupees from the point of view of a drawer. So this 2,000 rupees from the point of view of a drawer is called as bad debts, a loss. So the same 2,000 rupees from the point of view of a drawee, from the point of view of drawee is nothing but income. So yes or no? So it couldn't be called as an income, but these 2,000 would be transferred to a separate account called as deficiency account. So in that case, Mr. B's account would be closed. So now, so what is the journal entry in case of insolvency in the books of Mr. Drawer and Mr. Drawee? So what is the journal entry, sir? What is the journal entry? First one. So upon insolvency, so what could be the first transaction in our books of accounts, sir? Upon insolvency, first of all, we need to cancel the bill. Yes or no? We need to cancel the bill. So upon cancellation of bill, so how much, what is the journal entry, sir, upon cancellation? The journal entry would be drawee account debit to bills receivable. So how much was the bill? 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. So in the books of drawee, upon cancellation, what is the journal entry? The journal entry would be bills payable account debit to drawer account. So this bill wouldn't be an asset anymore, so we are cancelling. 10,000 rupees debit, 10,000 rupees credit. Now, so after cancelling the bill, so we are receiving an amount of 8,000 rupees from his personal property or his estate. Yes or no? So as we are receiving this 8,000 rupees from his personal property, so we are supposed to record a journal entry. Yes or no? So second one. What is the second transaction? So upon cash receipt. Upon cash receipt. What is the journal entry? The journal entry would be cash account debit to, who is the giver? Drawee account. So how much are we receiving in our example? We are receiving 8,000 rupees from the property of Mr. B. So upon payment of 8,000 rupees from the personal property, what is the journal entry in the books of Drawee? The journal entry would be drawer account debit to what we are paying? Cash account. So how much? 8,000 rupees debit, 8,000 rupees credit. Yes or no? So how much are we supposed to receive, sir? We are supposed to receive 10,000 rupees, but we received 8,000 rupees from his personal property. So this 2,000 is nothing but, a loss to the drawer. So this 2,000 is nothing but a gain to the drawee. So to drawer, it is nothing but a loss. So to B, that is nothing but Mr. Drawee, it is nothing but a gain. Yes or no? So what is the journal entry? What is the journal entry? What is the journal entry? So the journal entry would be upon loss. So your 2,000 of loss. What is the journal entry? The journal entry would be in the books of drawer as it is a loss. The journal entry would be bad debts account debit. Bad debts account debit to drawee account. So how much was the amount? The amount to the extent of 2,000 rupees. Yes or no? Next. So the same amount of 2,000 would be a gain from the point of view of drawee. So what is the journal entry? The journal entry would be drawer account debit to, as it is a gain to the drawee, we are transferring this 2,000 rupees or the gain to a separate account called as deficiency account. So we are transferring this gain to a separate account called as deficiency account. So how much was the amount, sir? The amount was 2,000 rupees. Yes or no? So now let us understand here. So alternatively this second and third transaction could be recorded at once. A journal entry could be recorded by combining the second and third transaction. So what is that journal entry? So cash account debit. How much we are receiving? We are receiving 8,000 rupees cash. And how much was our bad debts? The bad debts account debit to the extent of 2,000 and to drawee account 10,000 rupees. An alternative journal entry or a compound entry can be written by combining these two, cash receipt and gaining or loss. So, in the books of drawee, upon recording the transactions of second and third, that is nothing but combining your cash receipt and your bad debts together. So, what is the journal entry? The journal entry would be drawer account debit. How much was the drawer account? 10,000 to cash. How much are we paying? So, we are paying only 8,000 from our personal property. Yes or no? So we are transferring to a separate account, that is nothing but your deficiency account to the extent of 2000. So now as we have cancelled our drawer account, so as we have cancelled our drawer account, there wouldn't be any liable to Mr. Drawee. As we have cancelled our drawee account, there would be any asset to the drawer. So this is about this. These are nothing but the transactions in the books of drawer and drawee in case of insolvency. I hope you understand. Thank you.